everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. So for today's video we are going to be testing out Bose Beauty, who you would have seen in my haul a few days ago. I filmed this yesterday by the time, so yesterday for me, and then when I went to edit the footage to get it up for today, it was so blurry. So we're going to redo the video and we're going to test the products out. I kind of already know how they work, but I want you guys to see how beautiful they all are. Little spoiler alert. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Obviously give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe if you haven't already. We are so close to hitting 100 and there will be a giveaway when I do that. So I'm super excited. Let's jump on into the video. My face is all done. I've just applied some lip balm to my lips just because they're really dry. I've prepped my eyes with the P. Louise eye base. And what I think we're going to do is just do a really soft like glitter eye and then apply some funky eyeliner. So let's just jump on into the video. So basically you guys would have seen, if you watched my haul, the Princess Collection pigments. I really want to go in with this pink one here, which I will swatch. So it's super soft. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into it with a brush. This is the Morphe 167 brush, and I'm just going to apply it dry onto the brush in the pot, and then spray some MAC Fix Plus and just dab it onto my eye. Wow, that is super pretty. Super pretty. See how beautiful this pigment is. I don't want to go in with any other matte shades just because I really want the focus to be on Bose Beauty today. She's a super small business. Well, I wouldn't say super small. She's quite big now. I think she got quite big on TikTok. But also Makeup by Alex Kate. She has a code, so I'll link her code down below. And I know she's doing a video on a few bits that she got. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is the Ariel Essence blending brush, and I'm just going to like buff it out just so there's not like such a straight line on where I place the shimmer, just so it's a bit more diffused. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into this shade here, which is like a purple liner. It's called Aster, I think. And basically I have this thermal spring water in a can. I can't remember when I got this. It was a long time ago. And I'm going to go into the Morphe 217. So I'm going to spray this into the pot because that's how you activate the liner. So you just spray it in. And then you kind of swirl it around with your brush a little bit. And then I'm just going to do a wing with this purple liner. So that's super pretty. Like, it is very easy, like it doesn't drag and things like that. It is super stunning, and I think this was £3 for the pot. So to be honest, I'm super happy with how much that was. And then just for like a different colour, I'm going to go in with this orange just to test out this one on the other eye. Just so you can see how like a few of the liners work. So I'll just spray it again, the water. So I'm just applying again the orange. this is how it's looking so far. Do you know why I really enjoying these liners? They're true to the colour in this pot. Like, this is super, super vibrant, as you can tell. It looks stunning. Obviously this isn't something you wear every day, but I just really wanted it to be like a fun tutorial. And obviously the pigment looks stunning on the eyes as well. Such beautiful products. So what I'm going to do, I also bought 2 lipsticks. And I'm going to use the shade 04, which is the shade Cookie Dough. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. It's super creamy, I will say this, because I used it yesterday. So this is the finished look. I quickly applied some lashes to my eyes just to make it a bit more wow. But I love this lipstick. It's honestly so creamy, so buttery. It's so easy to apply. The products are lovely. They really do look like the pan, which sometimes you guys know if you use different coloured or brighter colours, they don't usually apply that bright as they are in like the casing or in the pencil. And this is super stunning. Definitely recommend you go and check her out and buy something. I'll leave Makeup by Alex Kate's code down below, and also where you can shop the website. I'm super impressed with this look. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please comment down below if you have. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!